people. This is the first video where I'm gonna give you some tips that for you as a beginner can use when you want to purchase your first wig. So today we're gonna start with the basic. What is the basic? The basic is how the wig is constructed. The wig is constructed by the basic thing that is the cap. I think one of the most important thing about wigs are the caps. So we have different type of caps that will give you different type of solutions. So now I'm gonna introduce to you 3 different types of caps. We have 3 different types of caps, and the most common one is the one that we call lace frontal cap. As the name already says, the lace frontal cap is the one that has the lace just in the front. That is the one that we have in this mannequin over here. And then the second one is the one that we call full lace cap. That is the second one. And then the last one is the one that we call glueless cap. That is this one. Now, for you to understand the difference between them, stay tuned and let me explain. This is the lace frontal. As the name already says, the lace is just in the front part of the wig, okay? We have from this temple to the other temple, we have 13 inches. And then in the front, from the hairline till where the crown starts is just 3 inches, okay? We also have in the front part, we have some clips, okay? There is a clip in here, another clip over here, and a comb in here. This together will secure the wig in your head, okay? So what do we have in the rear section? In the rear section of this type of caps, the weft in here, it's open, okay? And then here we have an elastic band or an elastic strap that will help you adjust the wig in your head, okay? You can loosen it or tighten it, depends on your need. Now we have the full lace cap. The full lace cap differentiates from the other cap because the lace, it's all around the circumference of the head, okay? We can see all around we have the French lace, like this. This one, instead of weft, it has a stretch panel. This stretch panel will help this on the depth of the headgear. It will sit better, it will fit better in the head. There are also a very interesting detail about this type of cap is the hair density in this part of the crown helps you part the hair in any direction that you want. The last cap that we have here is the glueless cap. The glueless cap differentiates from the full lace one because it has a presence of the clips and the combs in here. Like this we can see better. The clips, we have 2, okay? One in this side and one in the other side. We have 1 comb in the back. And on the front part we have 2 other combs, okay? In this part we have the adjustable strap. The adjustable strap, as I mentioned before, will allow you to loosen or tighten the wig. And all together with the clips and the comb will give you security and stability for the wig not to fall off. There's also a presence of the stretch panel in here. And also, in the front, we have the same density in the crown that will allow you to part the hair in any direction. This type of cap will allow you to put the hair in a ponytail in case you want to change your hair. So that's all for the differences between the cap construction. I hope these tips were useful for you when you try to purchase your first wig. If you have any questions, you can contact our customer service and they will give you all the personal guidance when you're trying to get your own wig. So like our page on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more promotion and more useful tips. I hope to see you guys in our next video. Until then, stay fabulous.